Bring your baby Brezza Bottle Washer Pro clean water tank over to the sink and run your tap to ensure the water is warm enough to dissolve a descaling tablet. Fill the tank up until the fill line. Once the tank is full with water up to the line, close the lid. Bring your tank back onto the side and get one baby Brezza descaling tablet. Open the packet, remove the tablet and place it into the water tank like so. Now wait for the tablet to completely dissolve. This can take up to 5 minutes. Once the descaling tablet has completely dissolved in the water, add the clean water tank back onto the machine, making sure it's fully inserted. Turn it on by holding the power button for 3 seconds. Then select wash mode. This will come up as 19 minutes on the screen. Then press the play button.